These are the Yeager elevators. We got this one over here on the left. Named for Chuck Yeager. Let's go down the one. Originally Westinghouse. These were modded by Schindler. I believe they're Schindler 6400s now. Red badge plate.
Red bag claim and ground transportation.
Looks like they're doing some work here. Let's go up to 9.
Going up.
Level 5 is closed for construction.
Short-term parking area, level 9.
As you can see, we have a lot more elevators to ride. 4 banks just in this terminal alone. We're actually going to go to 3 instead of 1.
Going down.
Here's your inspection certificate.
Level 3. Shuttles to all gates. Shops. Diners.
And that'll be it.